Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a fingerprint scanner on iPhone 15 Pro Max. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, and right here we can try to find the finger inside the search, and there's only find related things, so there's no fingerprint in the search. But what we can also do is close this keyboard, please. Okay, and then try to find the security, Face ID and passcode, maybe here. And it seems that there's only Face ID and no fingerprint on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.